So today I'm going to show you all how to make a high protein, dairy-free yogurt parfait. I created this on the fly yesterday and it's so good. So I want to get it out to you guys. So first, I'm gonna use a half a cup of Cocojune dairy-free yogurt. You can also use, if you can handle dairy, you can do regular, half a cup of regular Greek yogurt and you'll get way more protein, but I can't do that. So I'm doing dairy-free. And this is the cleanest brand that I know, Cocojune. So I'm gonna do that, and what I'm gonna do to add some more protein is to do, I love Paleo Valley collagen protein powder. This is the best. 15 grams of collagen protein, and you'll see where you're gonna get the full protein from this. So what I like to do, because I like to make these look pretty when I put them in the bowl, is I'm just going to put this in a different bowl. You do you, but I'm gonna mix the protein powder in here as such, like this, so it all gets incorporated. Okay, so as you see, I mixed the protein powder in with the yogurt, and then I'm just going to take a spatula and I'm gonna pour it into the cup like this. So I have the yogurt with the bone broth collagen all mixed together, poured in here. And now I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds. I'm just gonna pour this over. So I'm building a parfait, so I'm going to add sprouted buckwheat. I love this brand, it's called Little Bucks. I got this at Good Earth. I think you can get it at Whole Foods. I will link it to where you can get it on Amazon. It's great. It comes in cacao, this original, which I got, in this cinnamon. But I will say what I like about this is I'm using a quarter of a cup. You don't have to pre-soak this. You don't have to cook it. It's done. It adds a nice crunch, plus 6 grams of protein and 5 grams of fiber for just a quarter cup. So I'm gonna take this and then put this on top. I'm just gonna kind of like layer this so it kind of looks pretty, right? Next, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of sprouted pumpkin seeds, so good for you. Next, I'm going to add fruit of choice. So I'm doing a half a cup of blackberries that we picked locally. They're so juicy. You could do frozen blackberries. You can just thaw them out the night before, or what day you're gonna use them, or you can use like strawberries, raspberries, whatever you wanna do. I just love these blackberries, so I'm gonna put them on top. And then all I'm gonna do next is I'm going to add, because I love bee pollen, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of bee pollen, and there you go. This is a high protein yogurt parfait.